Dude, look at how dope that is. Oh, shoot. Let's try it. All right, so it's like my first time doing stuff here, so I'm still a little awkward with being just in this environment. So sorry if it's a little hard to watch because I feel awkward, but hopefully it's not that bad. Booyah. So I just gotta go find the driver's side turn signal. Got the fog light cover slapped in with the turn signal. Got that clean grill slapped in. Now we just gotta, crap. I closed the trunk. Oh, I'm so stupid. Why did I do that? I've gotta find that turn signal. All right, still can't find that stupid turn signal. Maybe I'll just have to buy a new one. I hope not, because that suck, but I'll let you know if I find it. So I'm sanding down the fender for the WRX that's in the paint booth over there. And it's my first time sanding a piece that's gonna be painted on a car. So a little nervous that I don't sand too deep and get to bare metal and screw it up, but you know, everything can be fixed, so it's all good. So I'm just gonna keep sanding and throw it on a little time lapse. So that should be good on the sanding. Once Adrian gets back, I'll ask him to make sure I got it all, and that there's no spots that I missed, but should be pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go take off the mirror on the driver's side door so we can get that door ready to get blended. So we're going in the paint booth. Woo! Woo! All right, now we're in the paint booth. Now I've got to get this door, this mirror off, not this door. So let's get it. I just don't know where to unconnect the wire. I've got it just all the bolts out. I just don't know where to unconnect the wire.
Is this one right?
Oh, so it was that. I just had to pull it. Okay. Boom. Alright, so here is the first WRX. It is all finished. I don't know if you guys remember the front wheel right here. I can't remember what spoke it was. It had like a big gash. It was like straight through. We got it refinished. Can't even tell. It looks brand spanking new. That is dope. Front end is all good. All of the wheels, some of them had a little curb rash, but all of them have been refinished. Now the car is all good, and it's gonna be super loud right now because of all the cars that are driving by. But look at that. So sick. The car's all done. It's ready to be sold. If anybody is interested in this 2018 WRX, hit me up and I will sell it to you. Look at that. Boom. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this quick little video. The first WRX is all done. It's ready to go. It's for sale. So if you want it, let me know and I will hook you up with a good deal. It's a dope car. And the second one is pretty much all done, ready to go. I just gotta get a couple more things, but both of them are finished. And then I've got more cars coming in, that white WRX and a car that's not a Subaru. There's gonna be big things going on with that car. It's gonna be insane. A lot of stuff that I have no clue what I'll be doing, but I'm gonna be learning because we're gonna do, and it's gonna be sick. So make sure you keep watching all my videos, and yeah. Oh!